Man, y'all suckers know the drill. Let's get into it.
Okay.
I'm living with my heart so cold. All that I see is a storm of stones. I like to dig holes in search of gold. Large pots of treasure, make me feel much better. If I fight, amen, who'd you ever clench my fist type to come on better. I don't wanna hurt up my passion. Been lonely all my life. Doesn't matter, here for the mission. Whoever wanna bring it, call me stubborn, but I'm still gon' live it. Do anything to get the pieces of the emerald. Climb the mountains to the valley of the hill. While I'm hungry, ain't a damn thing funny. My knuckles and feet, streaking lights, loud sounds, and instinct are the elements that keep me going. I am fighting my own mission. Nothing's gonna stand in my way, no. Something told me I don't know what. Something's told me but I don't know who. Something's calling me more and more. No one stops, no one's feet.
Okay.
So, Sonic, when we going to start working on our show now? I have no idea, Knuckles. Oh, yeah, I think we need a new Tails. Bro, for what, bro? The one we have is perfectly fine. No, it isn't. No, it's not. We need another Tails. Then, I don't know if we're gonna introduce him in the first episode anyways. So, it's kind of crazy, Sonic. Bro, shut up, buddy. You know what, bro? You got it. Bro, why do I still have my thing and my tag? What the frick? Man, get this stuff off of me. Get it off of me. Get it off. Get it off. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah. Now that I have All-Star Sanei Knuckles, I can start working on LGE. Get out of here. Great Easter Entertainment trash. Is that necessary, Knuckles? Yes. Yes, it was. Oh, yeah. Cuss word of the day. Snuzzle. Bro, what? You heard me, Sonic. Snuzzle. Bro, in the video, bro. In the video right now. In the video right now.